Hello, in this video I will tell you how to open a calculator on your phone. First, you need to check if the calculator icon is on the main screen. And if it's there, then just click on it. What does this icon look like? It looks different on different phones. On the screen you can see how the calculator icon may look on different phones. If you don't find the calculator icon on the main screen, you need to go to the next screen. To do this, you need to swipe your finger across the phone screen from right to left, or from left to right. If you don't see the calculator icon again, then you need to find the tools icon and click on it. In the menu that opens, we see a calculator icon. Click on it and start the calculator. This is how you can open the calculator on your phone.